gonna do what?
We're gonna do on snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
Yeah.
Yay!
Some of them.
Okay. Snowflakes for the Christmas, right?
Yeah.
And a New Year. A New Year. Okay, let's do it. Go. Wow, so many colors.
We do fold it, right?
Yeah.
Eta coat. Eta coat. Coat. Eta coat. Coat. Cat. You are in cartoon right now.
First, we need to fold in one diagonal and one more. So we have a triangle like this. And now we do the parallel line. We do parallel line and cut them.
Oh, I see.
But not till the end. So leave some right there.
Oh, okay. Give it some space. Not cut over there.
And we need to get something like this.
Okay.
Then when we unfold it, we can take glue or stapler.
A little bit good. Yeah.
We put it together. This side. But another side. And also put together. Here we can do with a stapler. Just click it.
Click it. Oh.
It's faster.
Oh.
Then turn another side.
Wow.
It's not finished, just a part.
Yeah.
And okay, let's do one more. We have this upper side, it will be center, right? We need like this one. And there's like a lot of small papers. And you cut it here. And this one, and you cut it.
Oh, you use blue color, Fan.
No, I use purple.
Now that's, for me, it's blue. See me.
Purple.
Purple. Velvet V. I just review.
This is blue.
Ah,
Glue boy.
glue boy. This blue we call that light blue. Glue boy.
And this is not dark blue. This is dark purple.
Oh, dark purple. Okay. Velvet V. Yeah. Later when we finish, we can decorate our window. Because in Russia during this time you have a snow weather. Oh.
Starting from November.
Starting from November, it's really cold.
It's not so cold. It's
Not that cold, really.
minus 5.
-5. Wait, -5.
Minus one.
Minus.
Minus 1 too as well. The coldest month is February. It can be minus 20.
Oh.
21.
Yeah.
20, 100.
Oh, minus 20, you can join to jump in the cold water and get refreshed. Wow, so beautiful.
That's mine.
Okay, how do we say beautiful in Russian? Красиво.
Красиво, как красиво.
Как красиво, so beautiful. Как красиво, so beautiful, meaning. Oh, good. Awesome.
It looks like a fish ship. It looks like fire to me. Looks like fire.
Fire. How do we say fire in Russian?
Огонь.
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 Wow.
Как
It looks like
огонь.
Выглядит как огонь. Огонь.
Огонь. We have огонь and we have water. Water we call that
How do we call water?
water. Вода. Вода is Russian mean water. We have огонь и вода. Вода.
And we got airplane.
Airplane Russian. Самолет.
Самолет.
Самолет. Airplane. Самолет.
That mine's like gas.
No, I'm
Oh,
cold.
it's like gas.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Green.
Green. Sioni.
Make it straight. We put just like in the middle of the book.
On the book. Wow, so beautiful. Classified book. It's a Russian children's book. Wow.
Какая красивая книга. Oh, how snowflakes are formed? Actually, it's a rain, but when it's a cold weather and there is a cloud that brings water, the
Ooh.
water starts to fall down, but because the cold air on the outside, it gets frozen in different beautiful form.
Oh, I see. Understand, Finn?
Understand.
Well, you learn a lot today.
It looks like a shark face.
And we can make a large one.
That's for the driver, and this for the window. You can sit in there. I'll tell you where's the door. It's right here. Here,
Oh, okay.
the door. It can open by itself.
Open by themselves.
If we push this button, it will open by itself.
On the side.
Ooh. Ah, just like a star, Finn. Like a giant star.
Those are
Voila! Finn, take a look. Whoa, Finn. We will decorate our house. So we can make a lot to decorate our house, Finn. Christmas coming.
I will put it together and we will click it. Click it. Okay.
I'm tired.
Okay, I can finish it.
That's why I want to draw, because I'm tired.
Okay, okay. Draw.
We can hang it on the wall.
Finish.
And now
Yes.
you can make it even longer and you can put it in the tree.
Put it in the tree. Like a necklace. Really long necklace.
Next to in front of my house, and I did climb it to cut it
Wow, you
The
climb a tree.
outside.
Yeah.
and to put it at home.
Wow, so cool.
A Christmas tree,
Oh, your Christmas tree.
and it's me.
Classiva. Beautiful. It's Miss Anna.
It's my last time I was at home for the New Year. Like 4 years ago. 4 years ago.
This is the fake olive tree. Voila.
We also have our small
Decorate the olive tree. Ooh, Classiva. Yee.
water and sponge, make it a little bit wet.
Use sponge. Yes.
Make our snowflakes wet.
Voila.
Yeah, and then it's easy to take out.
Oh, we don't need glue. We only need water, Finn. And sponges.
Okay, you just it's like scissor. Do two things together at the same time. Yeah.
Oh, your success. Yay.
It's sticking to
Yeah, you
The
just
water.
be more gentle. To do it more gentle. Easy, easy.
See you next time. Bye bye.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel, right?
Yeah.
And give it a thumbs up. Yeah. Give me the cool face.